It has long been known that the solar radiation on the Earth in 1 hour equals the global energy consumption for a whole year. Why haven't more solar heating systems been installed? It's a common misunderstanding that we haven't got sufficient solar energy in the Nordic countries. The fact is, however, that a roof of a normal-sized house receives 4 to 5 times more solar energy than the household consumes in 1 year. Another explanation could be that solar heating systems are often only associated with hot tap water and not as complete systems for heating and hot tap water. However, by combining solar heating with modern heat pump technology, Free Energy created a new system using the sun to its maximum throughout the year. We call it HYSS, Hybrid Solar System. HYSS consists of several well-proven technologies, optimized and integrated into new solutions. This will give you high comfort at much lower operational costs and a reasonable investment. We will now show you the innovative design of HYSS and how the system takes advantage of the sun to its maximum during the 4 seasons. The sun is the backbone of HYSS. That is why there are 8 to 20 square meters of solar collectors compared to normally 4 to 6 square meters. In this way, you will achieve the lowest possible cost for hot tap water and heating throughout the year. The water contained by the solar collectors is heated by the sun and transported into the house through isolated tubes. You can install the solar collectors on any kind of roof, both on existing buildings and on new construction. Alternatively, the solar collectors can be installed on walls or as freestanding on the ground. Due to the large solar collector area, HYSS will during daytime heat up sufficient hot tap water for a family for 24 hours. Using a balanced storage tank size, normally 200 to 400 liters, the sun alone will heat up the water to 60 degrees Celsius without using the built-in heat pump. HYSS enables you to heat up your pool using the sun without compromising your economy or the environment. If you have waterborne floor heating, you can also enjoy warm bathroom floors, and the basement is kept warm and dry during the summertime, all with solar energy, for free. The sun will produce more hot tap water than you will need during the summertime, even if your family is big and uses lots of hot water. The excess energy from the sun is stored by HYSS in a ground source energy storage. Heat-conducting materials increase the storage and retrieval capacity. Both vertical geothermal wells and horizontal ground loops can be used. The stored solar energy is used when direct solar energy is not adequate for hot tap water and heating. HYSS allows you to build smaller geothermal wells or ground source loops to save your investment money. This is possible because HYSS uses direct solar energy firstly, and secondly uses the stored solar energy in the ground source energy storage. Thus, a geothermal well becomes an attractive alternative to traditional ground source loops. Storing the solar energy in the ground makes it unnecessary to install a large and expensive water storage tank. If the solar energy is not sufficient, HYSS will use the integrated ground source heat pump. The heat pump is speed-controlled, also called inverter-controlled in technical terms, and will therefore automatically adapt to the capacity needed. By combining direct solar energy with energy stored in the ground, a very high seasonal heat performance factor, SCOP, is achieved. HYSS is able to achieve a SCOP factor of 6 to 8, meaning that for 1 part of supplied electrical energy, you will get 6 to 8 times of heating energy. For you, this means low energy costs and a short payback on your investment. Since HYSS is equipped with automatic measuring devices, you will be able to check that the system delivers according to the calculation. When the temperature in the solar collectors is higher than the temperature of the energy storage in the ground, the energy from the solar collectors will be used. When the temperature of the energy storage in the ground is higher than the temperature of the solar collectors, the energy from the energy storage will be used. This is controlled automatically by HYSS through the use of temperature sensors and heat measuring equipment. This ensures an optimized operation. You can supervise HYSS from a tablet delivered with the system. Here you can always watch how much heat is coming from the solar collectors or from the energy storage. You can also track the current performance, COP, that will show you how much electrical energy you are using and how much heating energy is provided by HYSS. You will also be inspired watching the cost savings compared to other systems. You can log into your system from other tablets, your PC or smartphone, wherever you are. In the summertime, the sun supplies enough hot tap water and even enough to heat a pool. Excess heat will be stored in the ground. In the autumn, the sun still supplies useful energy to the HYSS system, which uses the heat pump when needed to secure the correct temperature for hot tap water and the heating system. In the wintertime, HYSS still uses energy from the sun, but mostly from the ground energy storage through the integrated heat pump. In the spring, the sun will once again cover a large part of the energy needed, without any help from the heat pump. We at Free Energy would like to thank you for watching this presentation of HYSS and how the system takes advantage of the solar energy throughout the year. Briefly, HYSS will give you lower energy costs, an inspiring touch display for you to control system performance, a 10-year warranty covering the main components. Listen, this is a wise and eco-friendly investment. Would you like to calculate your own HYSS system and learn how you can achieve great savings? Make a quick calculation on our homepage.